What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to compress PDF files without losing quality. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Sometimes, you may need to compress a PDF file to reduce its size, for example, to save storage space, to send it by email, or to upload it online. There are different ways to compress a PDF file without losing quality, depending on your needs and preferences. In this guide, we will make use of ilovepdf.com, renowned for its wide range of utility features while also being free at the same time. Head to this page using your favorite browser. Upon landing on the homepage, you will see various options for performing different tasks on your PDF file, such as merging, splitting, or compressing. For the purposes of this video, click on the Compress PDF option. You will now be prompted to select PDF files. Click on the button and proceed to select all the PDF files on your PC that you want to compress. In case you missed one or two of your files, there's no need to worry. You still have the option to import more PDF files from your computer, Google Drive, and even Dropbox. Just hover your mouse over the plus button and you will see all the related options for importing files. In addition, you'll be presented with 3 different levels of compression: extreme, recommended, and low. Extreme compression will result in the highest compression level, while low compression will result in the least compression of the file. However, do note that extreme compression will result in a significant loss of the original PDF file quality. The low compression, on the other hand, will yield the best compressed quality that is almost like the original. However, the reduction in file size will not be that remarkable. To strike the best balance between the two, recommended compression is advised for most users as it results in high compression, while at the same time, there is little to no loss in quality of the compressed file. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.